Hi guys, it's Julia, welcome back to my channel. In this simple and very quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create your own DIY custom t-shirts without using transfer paper. Also, I recommend using oversized t-shirt because as you can see, I used a bodysuit in my case and I'm not sure if I liked the look completely, but yes, if you like this, by all means do it the same way as I did and use a tight t-shirt. So what you're gonna need is a t-shirt of your choice, clean film, parchment paper that you normally use in kitchen when you're baking something, picture or photo that is printed on a normal paper, and I'm not showing scissors, and iron. So as a first step here, I am cutting off enough cling film to cover all of the picture. The photo should be covered from both back and front side. It should be completely wrapped in a cling film. Then you can cut the cling film around the picture. Once you place the picture where you want it to be, you can iron it on. I used a low setting and I was doing it slowly until the cling film basically melts and it sticks the photo on the t-shirt. When I had that, I simply peeled off the parchment paper and the t-shirt was basically done. So this is the finished product and I hope you like it and you're gonna create your own. Hope you have a good Monday and I'll see you next time. Bye!